Welcome back to my kitchen. Sorry for the long break. Today I'm going to do vegetarian stew peas, no meat. This is the onion, scallion and garlic, a country pepper, tomato and sweet pepper. This is the peas in the slow cooker, cook for 4 hours, and we're going to put in our little spinach and half cup of coconut oil. First we're going to heat our pot. So you heat the pot, you pour the oil in, make sure that the oil is hot, you put in the garlic, then you put in the onions and the scallion. You can smell the various flavors. Tomato and the sweet pepper. I like to see when the seasoning well cook out to build more flavor to the stew peas. What I'm going to do is take out some of the liquid before, because I don't want the peas to crush, to overcook. So I take out some of the peas before. Then I'm going to allow this to boil, and then when it starts boiling up, then I'll add in the spinach. To build the flavor, I'm going to add half cup of coconut milk into it. So now it's boiling. I'll put in my spinners. Now I'm going to add the rest. Add your thyme, crunchy pepper. Then you put salt to taste. Put a half spoon. If you want it a little more saltier, you can. So you see sweet pepper, the yellow, the red, the various color, and this is just going to simmer down. Ready to go. You see how rich it look? Guys, I'm telling you, you don't miss the meat. Very delicious. Ready to serve. broccoli.